Papa Lawrence, I got 2 questions for you. First one. What advice would you give a moto family who's looking to get their kid to the level that Jett is? What is some advice you can give to them to make sure that they, number one, get their kid to where they want to be, but also they do it in the right way?
Don't focus on the result, focus on the work ethic. Nothing but the work ethic, because you will not get to that level without working at it. So what happens is when you focus on the result so much, you lose track of where you are going, like your goal in the future. You're focusing on the now. Focus on, okay, what his weakness is. His left-hand turns weren't good, or he's jumping on. Focus on that weakness. And then if the kid makes it or not, the kid has learnt to work at something. So whether he gets into business, in his marriage, in his general life, he knows that if I work at something, I can achieve anything if I put enough time in it. Because our like Jett's, Hunter, all that age group, our life is so instant these days. You want a burger, you go in and get a burger. You want a girlfriend, you swipe left, you swipe right. You don't, like, everything is so instant, and they don't learn that there's delayed gratification. So that's what I'd say. Focus on creating work ethic in your son or daughter, and then they can achieve whatever they want in life.
Perfect advice. Another one. If a family is looking to get sponsored,
yes,
what is your advice for that family at any level to try to attract sponsors to get their kid where they want to go in the sport?
Just be hospitable, just communicative, communicate well with people, try and show out your emotion. The biggest problem that happens with me and is you're emotionally attached to your children. And when you bring in emotion, that's when you do stupid things. You got to try and separate that and look at it in a mechanical way. Okay, we're here to learn, we're here to get better. So trying to shut out that emotion is what you need to do. And then a sponsor will see that how you hold yourself, compose yourself, communicate with people is the last thing anyone wants these days is a mini parent. That's the biggest problem I've ever had is people go, oh great, the dad's involved. Once they get to know you, you can win them over, but that mini parent hue is always there.
Great advice. You heard it first, Jett Lawrence Dad.